welcome to another episode of my Saturday mood. Today is a cold, dreary, grey, rainy day, so there's like no light in here and there's not a whole lot going on. I don't have too many plans other than I need to go to the hairdressers, I need to go to Kmart, I need to get some more passport photos done. So I don't have an appointment at the hairdressers, but last time I did, they took a little test strand to do a bit of a colour swatch for a colour I'm considering going in the near future, which I'm very excited about. I'm not going to tell you exactly what colour it is because at this stage there's still a very high chance that I'm going to back out of this. So I'm just going to go see what my hair looks like and make my decision from there. I really hope it works out because I'm super excited for a change. Even though I love this, I'm ready to adventure a little more. And Kmart, I need some Christmas stuff because I thought a rainy, cold day would be a perfect time to set up the Christmas tree later. And I need some passport photos because I changed my name over a year and a half ago and I still haven't updated my passport, and I didn't like the passport photos I took about 6 months ago when I got motivated to change my passport. So I'm gonna get some new ones taken, which I hopefully like, and then I can try and bring myself to do all of that paperwork. Just so frustrating, but it has to be done. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll show you my outfit for today. I'm just wearing this little top by Miss Patina. It's called the Starlight top. It has a little frilly neck and she's spotty with a like holy sleeve, which is pretty cute. The bottom of the sleeves aren't meant to be like this, but I'm alone right now and ain't nobody gonna be doing up that elbow. It's not gonna be me. And I'm not taking off my entire shirt just to do up a button. Kmart can deal with me in my current state. And on the bottom I have these ripped skinny jeans by Nobody, I believe is the brand. They're lovely jeans, they're super soft and they've got quite a bit of stretch in them, but the only problem is, you can really see because this belt is just not right. I bought these when I was at my peak of my weight gain, so they are slowly but surely really drowning me because there's just so much fabric that I just do not need anymore, but they're still cool and they're super comfortable. And I've got my Bella Beat leaf on my pocket today instead of the top, which is a bit different for me. And on the feet I have some more Jeffrey Campbell shoes. I'm sorry, I don't actually know the name of the style of these ones. I bought them from Zonk about maybe a year and a half ago, if not more, and I love them to death, which I think is pretty clear because they're so worn down. They are about to die. So yes, I will see you when I get back from Kmart.